Hi everyone, my name is Ganapati. My topic is characteristic of good quality seed. Introduction. Seeds play an important role in any technology and we have to produce pure quality resistant health seed for production of health food to satisfy our needs. The main aim of seed is to produce genetically pure and good quality seed. Variety is a group of plant have a clear distinguished character which when reproduced either sexually or asexually retain to this character. The genetic purity of variety is lost or deteriorated during the seed multiplication. What is seed? In broad sense, seed is a material which is used for planting or regeneration purpose. In scientifically, seed is a fertilized or matured oval together covered with seed coat is called a seed or propagated material. In technical point of view, seed is a fertilized or ripened ovule. It consists of mainly three parts: seed coat, endosperm, and embryo. It also refers propagation material of health seedling, tuber, bulbs, rhizome, roots, cuttings, and all type of grafts or vegetatively propagated material used for the production purpose. Seed quality. Seed quality is sum of all properties contributing of seed performance. The quality of seed can be decided whether a farmer crop will be good, bad, or indifferent. The characteristic of seed quality is physical attributes, physiological attributes, genetic attributes, and storability. Criteria of seed quality. There are genetically pure, it be true to type, high returns per unit area, less infestation of land with crop seeds, less disease and insect problem, minimization of seed and seedling rate. They are bigger, free from pest and disease. They can be adapted themselves for extreme climatic conditions. Seed quality, physical attributes, minimum of damaged seed, minimum amount of weed seed or inert matter, minimum of diseased seed, near uniform sized seed. Physiological attribute, germination percentage or viability. The germination percentage or viability is an indicator of seed's ability to emerge from the soil to produce a plant in a field under normal condition. Seed vigor, it is the capacity of seed to emerge from the soil and survival under potentially stressful field condition and to grow rapidly under the favorable condition. Genetic attributes, seed of the same varieties adapted from the local condition, pest and disease tolerance and high yielding ability. Next is storability, moisture content, temperature of the environment, seed treatment. Importance of seed, determination of future plant development, basic input to increase crop yield per unit area. In the ancient literature, may the seed viable, may the rains plentiful and the grain type of nights. The quality seed processes other quality, namely high germination, high vigor, and physical purity and sound health. The only seed asset quality expressed in the response to fertilizer and other input. Otherwise, seed of hope may turn into the seed of frustration. Input used for the farmer seed is the cheapest input. The quality seed ultimately increase the effective of the factor of crop production. Importance of seed quality. Virtual input in the crop production, cheapest input in the crop production and the key to the agriculture progress. It is the largely depend on the seed material used for the sowing. Response for other input in crop production depend on the seed materials which is used. The seed required for raising crop is quite small and cost is compared to other input. The estimation good quality seed of improved varieties and contribute 20 to 25% of increase in the yield. Respond well for the higher fertilizer dose, plant production and maturity. Yield production is very easy. Handling of post harvest operation will be easy. High product value and their marketability. Indian scenario of quality seed production: breeder seed, foundation seed, and certified seed. Quality seeds based on year. Conclusion: seeds are found for men and animals and birds. Seed in agriculture is material which is used for the planting and regeneration purpose. Quality of seed possesses high vigor, genetically pure and free from disease and pest. Quality is the virtual input in the crop production. The high returns per unit area of genetic potentiality of the crop used fully exploit. The world seed production and the import of crop rice, maize, etc. Introduction production of seed as breeder, foundation and certified seed. Genetically principle and agronomic procedures of seed production quality seeds. Seed certification is needed to ensure the acceptable standard of seed viability. Quality seed production in thrust areas, infrastructure developed targeting export and the utilization of rural human resource for participatory seed production and germplasm conservation and hardness biotechnology. Thanking you.